When Desiree McCue first noticed mysterious marks on her teenage daughter last March, she thought it was some kind of rash.
We reached out to the doctor. He said it wasn't rashes, it's bruising. So just random bruising showing up all over her arms, her chest, her neck, her shoulders, her face.
Just one of several strange symptoms the 15-year-old has been struggling with for months after a COVID-19 infection last fall.
It's an evolving topic, and we're still really trying to drill down on quantifying exactly what is the risk of long COVID and what symptoms do children manifest.
Dr. Freedman has been studying COVID-19's effect on kids for the last year and a half. He says while by and large children are far less likely to experience serious disease, it's far from impossible.
We do still see some children, uncommonly and infrequently, who do become severely unwell, sometimes during the acute illness, but almost even sometimes more commonly afterwards when they develop this inflammatory syndrome called multisystem inflammatory syndrome of children, which can result in more critical illness.
There have been more than 40 cases of Miss C in Alberta alone. 7-year-old Hunter McConnell became ill following a COVID infection last May.
We spent 3 days in the ICU, a couple days on the other unit. He's still being followed by cardiology, infectious disease.
While rare, doctors expect to see more cases of Miss C and long COVID in kids through the Delta-fueled fourth wave. Parts of the U.S. are already seeing more children in hospital compared to previous waves.
It's a little difficult to say if the increased number of children that we're seeing being admitted with complications of COVID is due to something about Delta intrinsically, or is it due simply to the fact that Delta is such a contagious virus that we're now seeing more cases?
It's why both doctors support masks in school this fall, particularly for children still ineligible for vaccine. The risk may be rare, but families like the McCues know it's not impossible. Heather, Yourex-West, Global News, Calgary.